Also, this is random, but like I saw it somewhere in your Discord, Shelby. You were talking about breaking the seal. I 100% know what that means and have heard of that and have said that since my whole life. And I've never heard of someone not knowing what it meant, though. I'm from like Western New York, I guess you could say. I'm not from New York City. I'm from like the other part of New York. Breaking the seal, it can be dangerous, you know, because then you're just gonna be peeing all freaking night, which is me. I have the tiniest little baby bladder of all time. Let's go. Took him down. Love it. Where'd you go? 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 Wait, no, I lost him. Where is he? Wait, I need to use my ears because I can't see. Shit! Oh, he's right there. Okay. Breaking the seal. I'm about to do that probably after this, and then I'm going to be peeing every 20 seconds. I'll try to read that in a minute. I'm like so blind right now. These contacts look so sick, but I can't see. Anyone here still? No? Okay. I'm gonna go check the. Whoa, wrong way. I'm gonna go check the gallows. I like. Wait, where the hell am I? Wait, I'm confused. Okay, I got somebody. I'm confused. Okay, so. Go back. I'll break it and I'll pick you up. Oh wow, I just had like a... Again, I keep having these weird, like, good blinks that just make my vision excellent, and it just happened to me now, but... Where'd they go? Go ahead. Oh, I thought I backed up, but okay, that's fine. Where'd you go? You over here? You're in here. You're in the other one. Sorry, Dwight. I can't read that, but something just popped up from my Discord. Sorry, I'm trying to like make those not show up on stream. I apologize. It was probably okay. I'm sure it was fine, but I had one that was like in the middle of some like long conversation about like, it just was really confusing out of context. Oh my god, I need to get another one of those good blinks so I can read what you... Oh no, I'm in the corner. I'm so lost. The killer everyone wants to face. Also, gallows, please. Come on, Big Banks. You love fighting. You love attacking them on the gallows. And no one's up here, are they? Last night I kept, like, going after people on the gallows, and it was very fruitful. I heard something. Did I? Did I? Sorry, Shelby, I, like, cannot read what you said. What you said right now, I will in a minute, but my eyes were so impossible. Where'd you go? I heard somebody. I thought it. Everybody loves this gen, right? This is like the... What happened? Okay, there's someone's popping a gen over here, so let's do that. Put a bird on it! Oh, jinkies. No, friend. Oh, Dwight! I am not happy with you. I should have worried it. Okay, I forget how to put them down. Isn't it R? It's R, right? Yes, it is. I'm gonna put you down. I'm gonna murder you. Okay, I'm sorry. Like, check the Discord. Okay, I should do that. I should do that. I should go do not disturb. I really don't mind it, to be honest, but like I feel sometimes I just like don't want to like have something pop up that like is like I don't think anything I would say on Discord would be sensitive, but I don't want anyone else to like say something or like someone reply to someone and you know what I mean. Thought I heard someone a minute ago. It's crazy that I'm doing so. It must just be birthday magic. I feel like last night I was like mostly just getting made fun of by survivors, and tonight everybody's playing poorly. So I feel like I'm good. What are you doing? Oh, you're healing? Are you healing? I'm just gonna do this. Scare you, just to scare you. You in here? Megan! I love Meg. I love Meg. You're so fine. No rush. I'm sorry, it's so hard for me to read that. It's like in another one, it's like, oh, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I just turned around and just camped the hook. I'm so oh my god. I'm just, whatever. I think I saw someone too, but I'm just gonna let them know. I'm so sorry, Meg. That was so brutal. Toxic. Alright, where did they... I have a funny feeling if I'd like put the contacts in like a little bit better or like a little bit less wet, they would have... I wouldn't be so blind right now, but I've never put contacts in ever in my life, like not even like you know, for vision and such, so right now I'm like ultra blind. I thought it was gonna be way easier. Oh boy. Oh, let's drop off some. Alright, I feel like I'm probably throwing the match right now. Although, wait, what do we have? Is that 3? I think it's 3 gens left still. Okay, I hit them. I don't know what they're doing. Are they still, like, struggling to heal? Because I don't understand what's going on over here in that case. What are you doing? Are you in here? Seriously? Is this like a joke or something? Or... maybe they're just that, like, new and they're scared or something? Because honestly, when I first started playing Survivor, which was my first, like, I didn't start as killer, I started as Survivor. That's, like, exactly how I played. I was constantly hiding in a locker, constantly on the ice pack. So maybe they're just trying to... The only thing I knew about when I first started playing this game was barbecue and chili. So I was like, okay, every time they... wait, okay, Mori twigged. We're gonna Mori twigged. Let's do it right here. Oh, this isn't Dwight. This is this Meg? Hello, please, Morty. Thank you. You're so... no rush to read. I'm sorry, I still can't take my chats after the thing. Yeah, I should probably zoom. I feel like I'm a million years old. And it's my birthday too, so I'm like, I just gained like 10 years. Feeling extra old. No, it's okay. I feel like taking the wig off would actually help significantly, but we're only maybe an hour. Oh, maybe an hour in, so we'll keep going. This is fun. I'm enjoying this. I'm having very good luck with these matches. Let's just hit it, because let's just make these survivors' nights a nightmare. Let's see if someone's going for the... no? Oh boy, I wonder if they're... I wonder. You know what? I wonder. Are they in the locker over here? Oh my gosh. Oh, that would have been so lovely. Alright, 2 are dead. some random birds spray and pray. Nobody's working on that generator. Itchy, itchy, itchy. Someone in a locker again? Are they just hiding in lockers? Okay, someone popped oh my. Are they really just, okay, I'm starting to think that they're maybe, oh my god, I just did a horrible blink. I'm starting to think that they're maybe not playing all that seriously. Which sometimes happens at my rank, at least. Yeah, I think they're goofing around. Okay, that's fine. Oh wait, I can more you. I'll just more you. Let the other one get hatched or something. Jill! Oh wait, Jill. I haven't even seen Jill all game, have I? Where'd you go? Wait, why is it? Why can't I? My hair is like too much in my face to be the artist right now. I need to show more of the white face. Jill, where are you? My love. I love Jill. I love Jill Valentine. One of my favorite characters of all games. Even though I actually don't know all that much about Resident Evil. I've only played the first and second Resident Evil. I have the third. I'm probably gonna start playing it soon. Self-promotion. Wait. Did I do I hear? What? Is this the hatch? Rock round. I just love Jill's general energy, knowing nothing about her. Although, playing Resident Evil 2, I think I like Claire better than Jill. Claire's fucking cool. Claire's badass. Okay, so, alright, let's focus on this game though. Wait, did I hear you? It's the freaking fire again, isn't it? Yep. Is this the door? That's the door, and that's the door. Okay. So I think. Hi, friend. Give me birds. Give me birds. Wait, really? Wait, what? Am I correct? Did I hit her on the other one? Oh no. Bad. Alright, Bitbanks has to go pee real quick. Bitbanks has to break the seal. Oh boy. The beginning of the end. GG. Oh my god, I can't even tell what I typed. And my keyboard is GG's? It's H. GG's, smiley face. Oh my god. Blink, good blink. Yes, smiley face. Everybody's on another platform anyway. Alright, I'll be right back.